Shortly after Robert the Bruce became king, the Cummings' influence and power declined dramatically. After several centuries of power struggle and conflict with competing clans, many of the Cummings family started migrating to America. Malachi Cummings was born 1744 in Glasgow, Scotland. The facts are unclear, but at some point he made it to Virginia and married Verlinda Taylor in 1761. Malachi had 5 sons: Joseph, a Revolutionary War veteran, Gabriel, Benjamin, Thomas, and Judah. Benjamin Cummings, son of Malachi, was born in 1765 in Virginia. He moved to Tennessee and had at least one son named Benjamin. The younger Benjamin was born in Tennessee about 1790, married Rebecca Adams, and had 9 children. Thomas, Warren, William, Vincent, Malachi, Charlotte, Mary, Matilda, and Elizabeth. Captain Vincent Monroe Cummings, the son of Benjamin, was born in 1826 in Tennessee and married Henrietta Mooney around 1845. They had 7 children: Benjamin, Jacob, James, Reuben, Vincent, Matilda, and Mary. About 1844, the Cummings family, Vincent, Benjamin, and the elderly Benjamin, left Tennessee along with the Adams family and settled in the Ozarks of Missouri, around about the area that would eventually become Christian County. Captain Vincent Cummings and his family settled in the small community of Linden Lure on the banks of the Finley River, where he opened a dram shop, a bar or establishment where alcoholic beverages were served. In 1861, the American Civil War broke out, and the people of Missouri were thrown into the bloodiest period in the state's history. Much of the population was torn between their loyalty to their Southern heritage, the right to own slaves, and their allegiance to the Union. Victories at Wilson's Creek and Lexington encouraged Governor Claiborne Jackson to call a special legislative session in Neosho, where he passed an ordinance of secession, and the Confederate government recognized Missouri as the 12th Confederate state. In 1862, the pro-Confederate Missouri State Guard, led by General Sterling Price, was driven from the state and defeated by Union General Samuel Curtis at the Battle of Pea Ridge. During this same period, pro-Union legislators met in Jefferson City and declared the state's loyalty to the Union. Missouri now had two governments in representation, both the U.S. Congress and the Confederate Congress. One of the 13 stars on the Confederate flag represented Missouri, this being because the Confederate States of America's Congress admitted Missouri to membership on November 28, 1861. The Cummings family stayed loyal to the Union. Vincent and his son Benjamin joined the Missouri militia. Vincent Cummings was given a commission, and as captain he led his company of men into many bloody battles.